Pippi the cub. In a beautiful forest, there was a mama bear and her cub. One day, the mama bear left her cub Pippi in the cave to go fishing and told Pippi to stay at home. Little Pippi is mischievous and ran to the forest, ignoring his mama. He saw a beehive in a tree and jumped to grab the hive. The little Pippi grabbed the honey even without asking from the bees. The bees got really angry and started to chase Pippi, and he ran deep into the forest. Even though Pippi escaped from the bees, he lost in the forest and started to cry. The mama bear heard the Pippi's cry and finally saved little Pippi. The poor Pippi understood that he should always listen to his mama, as mama knows the best. The moral of the story is that always listen to your mother and don't take anything without asking from others. Mermaid and the Seahorse. Once upon a time, in a magical ocean world, there was a young mermaid named Mia. She loved exploring and discovering new things underwater. One sunny day, she found a seahorse trapped in a bottle. Mia felt sad for the seahorse and wanted to help it. She called her friends, and together they worked hard to set the seahorse free. They carefully untangled it from the bottle and watched it swim happily away. The seahorse thanked Mia and told her about the problems in the ocean caused by people. It made Mia really worried, and she decided to do something about it. She told everyone she knew about taking care of the ocean and organized a cleanup with her friends. Mia's actions inspired others to join her cause, and slowly things started getting better. The moral of the story is that even the small actions can make a big difference, and anyone, no matter how young, can help protect our ocean. The Greedy Mouse. There was a little mouse called Vicky who lived under a shelf in a kitchen. He was so greedy and loved to eat cheese a lot. One day, the house lady left a huge piece of cheese on the kitchen table. Vicky saw this and rushed to the table. He greedily grabbed and ate the whole piece of cheese. His belly grew so huge and he couldn't even walk. He had to jump from the table and his leg got injured. Hearing this noise, the house cat came and he couldn't stop his laugh. Vicky was walking towards the shelf with a huge belly. The house cat said, "Oh, poor Vicky, you are so greedy. Next time you should eat only up to your limit." The moral of the story is that don't be greedy and should know your limits when you are having foods. Ladybug and the Butterfly. Once upon a time, there was an arrogant ladybug named Bella and a humble worm named Jerry. Bella was so proud of her shiny look and used to tease Jerry on his ugly skin. Jerry was so innocent and minded his own work and stayed calm. But Bella never stopped insulting Jerry on his look and tried to hurt Jerry all the time. Jerry felt so sad but never hated Bella. One day, Jerry was suddenly disappeared and no one could find him anymore. Bella felt so happy as she hated Jerry so much because of Jerry's skin color. On a beautiful day, a gorgeous butterfly appeared in the garden and everyone there got excited. His wings were so vibrant and shiny. Bella felt jealous and ashamed of her look once she saw the beautiful butterfly. Everyone gathered around the butterfly and said, "You are so amazing and beautiful. What is your name?" "Don't you recognize me? It's the same old Jerry," said the butterfly. Everyone was surprised and admired the beautiful look of Jerry. "I feel so bad and shame about me. I was arrogant and proud," Bella apologized to Jerry. "Let it go, Bella. Beauty will eventually go away, but good deeds will remain forever," said Jerry the butterfly. The moral of the story is that never be proud of your look and never insult to anyone on their look. Be kind to everyone. The Kind-Hearted Unicorn. Once upon a time, there was a friendly unicorn named Sparkle who lived in a magical forest. Sparkle had a beautiful rainbow-colored coat and a golden horn. One day, while Sparkle was exploring, she found a lost baby bird. Sparkle was kind and gentle, so she carried the bird on her back and guided it safely back to its nest. Word quickly spread about Sparkle's kindness, and animals from all over the forest came to her for help. Sparkle never said no and always offered a helping hoof. She brought happiness and comfort to everyone she met. Sparkle learned that true magic comes from being kind and helping others. The moral of the story is that small acts of kindness can make a big difference and create a world filled with joy and wonder. Just like Sparkle, we can spread happiness by being kind and lending a helping hand to those in need.